Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Waiver channel. Today I'll show you how to fix a broken search box on Windows 10. Let's open the Task Manager. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or just search for Task Manager. Here we go. We need to find services. Look for a service called wsearch. Right-click it and select Restart. If that doesn't work, go to Windows Search Settings. Click Troubleshoot. Select the first option, then Next. This should fix the issue. If a problem appears, click Try to fix it, and it should resolve it. You can also try fixing this using the command line. Open CMD as admin and type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then hit enter. Remember to run CMD as admin and restart your PC after. That's all for now. This has been Layla. Take care everyone.